right. What's up, U-Tubs? Today, I got the opportunity to come to Club MX to take some pictures of motocross riders practicing. Apparently, this is the biggest motocross track and practice facility in the country. No, I just made that up. I don't know, but this place is pretty freaking huge, pretty cool. So yeah, let's see what we can get into. See if we can take some good pictures.
Kind of go wherever. You just got to be really careful.
I got you.
No crossing the track while they're out there. You'll see it'll be riding, then they'll stop and take a break.
Okay.
But just don't cross the track while they're out there.
I got you.
You can do this whole way, all the way to the side, all the way to the back.
Okay.
Big jumps along the way, some cool corners and stuff.
Okay.
If you want to get into the middle, you just gotta wait in between sessions and we can talk and then just stay. Make sure wherever you're taking the picture, you're just not on the track.
Yeah, I got you. Okay.
That's also a good guy to talk to there, Ron.
Right there?
All the team's media stuff.
Okay.
So he's our filmer for the team and our racing and stuff. So
I got you.
If you have any questions about the industry or that's your guy right there.
Okay. What's his name?
Rob.
Rob?
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it. This is pretty sick, man. First time photographing motocross. Shit's cool, dude. Let's see if we can get a little closer up here. I guess it's in between sessions now. Only got about 5 minutes of shooting. So let's see if we can get into a different spot here. Eventually I want to switch into my long lens, come over here. Well, I guess they're going back out. All right. Now, I didn't know, I guess some pros are here. Pros, amateurs practice here. I guess I should have known that because, I mean, this is a huge facility. I mean, I think people live here. Some pros live here or something. See where we can go. This looks like a good jump. I don't know if I'm allowed to be over here, but fuck it. Alright. But Let's see. See, this will be a sick shot with the long lens right here. I might be able to get it with this 24-105. Oh yeah, this is a good spot right here. No, I just hope they start up again. I'll have to wait here for a few minutes. Let's go over here and see what we can come up with over here. I drank a whole cup of coffee on the way here. I got pissed so bad. Here we go. This should be a banger spot right here. I'll take some pictures from here, then I'll move there and try to get like a wide shot of them coming around the corner. I wonder if I can go over there. I'll hold off for now, just to be safe. All right, here they come. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. See, I wish I had a 70 to 200 though. That would be perfect. I feel like 200 to 600 is just way too much for something like this. Okay, let's get a little closer though. A better shot. Yeah, there we go. This should be good right here. Coming this way, and then also can take a picture from over here. All right, here they come. And can get like right here, get up close. Can I get right here? I don't want to get in trouble. But fuck it. Dude, this is like super close. I mean, if they come over here and just mess up a little, I'm done. I'm toast. Oh yeah, dude, that is sick. Here, let's go over here, see if we can get him coming over here or going over this jump. But this is a good spot. I'll take a few pictures here, haul it back to the entrance, and see if I can get on the inside of the track. More go around, let's see. right. I think I got a good amount there. Got some pretty good ones. Now let's try to get back there and see if we can go on the inside of the track before they're done riding. Got distracted. Let's go. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna switch to the long lens now. I don't know if I'll have another opportunity here. And it looks like a bunch of people are coming this way, all the photographers and videographers. So, let's see. Let's see if we can switch real quick.